Get out! The door! What's up, guys? My name is Ernest Page and I am at Killarney Skidpan with Master Drive, and this is episode 1 of Will It Do a Donut? Wow. That's like Yo, that is sick. That is sick. This is the 2021 BMW M4 competition, and I know what you're thinking. Of course it can do a donut, but I have to see for myself, okay? And I know you guys want to see this car do a donut anyway, so it's probably going to do a donut, but let's go try anyways. First off, we're going to start off with the M normal mode. So this is all the aids on, all the traction control engaged, and let's see what happens. Now these cars are designed to keep you safe on the road. So if something goes wrong, you won't spin out or won't skid out. So I'm just gonna try and floor it now and see if I can do a donut with all the aids activated. So let's see. So the car is absolutely stuck to the ground. It's not doing anything, not doing anything. By the way, guys, if you want to learn how to handle your car better, speak to the guys at Master Drive. The link is in the description below. Use the promo code PAGE and you get a 10% discount. So now we're going to try M1 mode. M1, M dynamic mode. Okay, let's try that. Here we go. Will it do a donut? Take one. Oh, wow. 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 That's like super easy. I'm not doing anything, the car's doing all the work. I am a driving god. I am a driving god! That was super easy. That was super easy. I can't believe how easy that was. Okay, wait, now let's try M2. So this is M2, traction control on this is now set to 5. It's got 10 stage traction control, and this is now on M2 mode. Again, okay, it's a bit less easy. So it allows the car to slip more. So I have to control it a little bit more myself. It's so pretty simple. It's actually flipping easy. I mean, it's actually pretty simple. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That is the easiest I've ever done that in any car. That is the easiest I've ever done. Okay, now let's turn everything off. We've got the M Drift Analyzer over here. So, okay, DSC off, okay.
12 seconds later.
But now this is everything off. Okay, that's a bit more difficult. That's a bit more difficult. Ooh! That's a bit more difficult. But still. I think the answer to if the M will do a donut is absolutely So if you wanted the answer to will it do a donut, I'm actually not sure. I'm just gonna go again. Okay, I just need to check.